There are different levels of reflecting. Grushka and colleagues identify reflection on action and reflection in action, but they link this to reflection for action. What this does is offer both technical and practical considerations of critical questions for the teacher to engage with. Under reflection for action, they say that teachers need to consider their resources as well as, for example, how long the lesson will take. These are sort of very practical, technical issues. They also talk about how to make the sources relevant in different learning situations. Again, a very practical perspective on reflection. In this sense, teachers are always questioning why they are teaching in a particular way, why they're using certain resources, why they believe what they believe. Zeigner and Liston go on to differentiate between 5 different levels of reflection which take place during the process of teaching. For example, they talk about rapid reflection. This is very immediate, it's ongoing, it's an automatic reaction to what they're experiencing with the children in the classroom. They also talk about a level of reflection as repair. This is where the teacher is making decisions to alter what they're currently experiencing, to try and change maybe the way children are behaving, or to change an activity so that students can learn more, or to even slow students down so that they're actually thinking more about learning. And another level of reflection they talk about is review. This is where the teacher is thinking about and discussing or writing about some element or some key components of their own teaching. Another level of reflection is research. This is where the teacher is engaging with theory and with the dialogue in texts, thinking over time about collecting data and understanding whole pictures of teaching and learning. Another level of reflection that they talk about is re-theorizing and reformulating. This is where the teacher is really critically examining their own understanding and their own approaches and trying to understand how these link back to what they've been taught, to link back to the theories which have been explored for years and years in the texts.